Get set for a wow factor. Today, we're highlighting the extraordinary machinery transforming the world of forestry and wood processing. From gigantic tree removal equipment to innovative precision tools, we cover the latest advancements. What an impressive tree cutting scene! I'm still a bit confused about why the base of the tree was on fire, and why someone decided to cut it down while it was still burning. Can anyone explain this? Drop a comment below and help me out. The Falcon Claw Grapple Carriage by Andrew Carlson of A&W Logging can transport up to 10,000 pounds of timber. It efficiently moves logs from steep terrain using a cable system, enhancing safety and operational efficiency in rugged environments. With an operating weight of 42,000 kilograms and a maximum lift height of 6.2 meters, the Volvo L200H High Lift offers a 400 horsepower engine and a 5.0 cubic meter bucket. It is ideal for bulk material handling, construction, and mining tasks. Watch as we tackle a colossal log sawmill, processing a gigantic 1.4 meter diameter, 50 meter long, valued at $20,000. Experience the power and precision as this massive log is transformed into stunning wooden slabs, revealing the intricate natural patterns and raw beauty within. With a 48 horsepower engine, the Wapa Choppa processes logs up to 1.2 meters in diameter and splits up to 5 pieces every 5.5 seconds. It minimizes manual labor and efficiently handles large volumes of firewood. Capable of processing logs up to 28 inches in diameter and 18 feet long, the Woodmiser LT35 uses a 1.5-inch bandsaw blade and hydraulic functions, making it perfect for precise, portable lumber cutting. the MAN TGX 33560 with a 560 horsepower engine and 44,000 kilograms payload capacity excels in timber transport. Its advanced safety systems and powerful performance make it ideal for hauling wood across challenging and rugged terrain. Amid the snow-covered terrain, the CAT 320 DFM Forest Pro Delimber, equipped with a 180 kilowatts engine and a 7.6-meter boom, operates efficiently. It's ideal for challenging forestry conditions, delivering effective log processing. Discover high-end luxury tables made from large, intricately shaped woods. Each piece, crafted with meticulous sawing, preserves and enhances the natural beauty of unique, organic forms, showcasing their elegance. The Beaver 110 Wood Chipper handles logs up to 4.3 inches in diameter and processes wood at up to 20 cubic meters per hour. It's ideal for the efficient chipping of branches and small logs in forestry operations. It takes two people to handle this powerful chainsaw. The V8-powered hot saw features an 8.5-liter V8 engine with over 350 horsepower and a bar length of up to 36 inches, making it ideal for swiftly cutting large logs in heavy-duty logging and competitions.